have the new A7 55 TFSI Tronic. I mean, grey and silver are two colors that many cars look good in. It's a discreet color. It's a very distinct rear. Imagine having this in your garage along your 911 Carrera 4S. Similar, and the Chiron with similar light design. And when it really starts to look nice is the interior. I like you don't have a frame, and it looks like you have double glaze here as well. See? Anyway. Wow, did you see the animation? It's crazy. It even animates how the closing process. That's funny. Anyway, is this a speedometer or is it a display? Or a navigation display? I mean, and if you push media, let's see what happens. It gets a bit too used to. Come on. Home. I'm done. Here are the haptic feedback settings there. This is nice. Operation in rear. Anyway, what I liked is that this whole dual display, which I think they really made nice. I mean, such a simple thing, but just great. When you put in intelligent search, this becomes a display.
T O
See? So what happens if we do like this? Wow, okay. Here you could do the settings. Okay, just push this down as in Android. Probably it's this Android. Who knows? Yeah, you could just change user profile there. Help. That's probably quite... Start.
The route is being calculated.
Wow, you can do this works. This is crazy. You can do zooming with pinching. I believe. Yes, you can. See? That's crazy. Wow. I wonder how you can... What more this can show. Ah, oh yeah, this have ionization. That's incredible. Oh, it's getting too cold now. Drive select. Oh, this reminds me about the Panamera. When the car comes driving in like this, or actually a BMW 7 Series. Cameras. Wow, so sharp. 3D camera. Okay, they don't have pinch to zoom, but you have this. I mean, this is actually more intuitive in doing this thing. I kind of prefer Audi touchscreen instead of pinching. See? Our rear doesn't work now because the trunk is open. But wow. This is so nice. I have all this automatic. activation. Maybe a bit snappier. That I'm not used to this delay. You push it and then you push. Nice with the logos. Anyway, it's so much to play with. I guess it's with the new A8 we have to push it. Try all options. This doesn't have Alcantara, but it has leather display here, which is interesting. This is nice with the display here. It's so nice to touch this. See? I mean, this looks mean. It doesn't see EB logo. I like this one more, that it has Alcantara headliner. I believe it had. Or no, it didn't. It was the other one who had Alcantara headliner. Let's go check that out.
Wenn ihr da was übrig habt.
Heute Morgen. Here is Alcantara. Finally. Oh, oi. Here we have Alcantara. Finally. It's the A7 with Alcantara headliner. Question is if you can start this. If you can fire up the display. No. I've not touched the start button. Now I'll run.